Guys, welcome to Rad Dad Toolbox. Another great episode today for you. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review on my brand new, hopefully you can see it, Movo Duo WMX1. This is a dual lavalier system, wireless system, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, before I open this up, one thing I wanted to point out is check this out. You get your 2-year warranty here, and the way you do it is by just simply scanning this code right here, and it automatically will register your product and give you the 2-year warranty, which is pretty slick. Now, I bought this before I open it up. I bought this, normally these are like $179.95 or something like that with free shipping on Amazon, which is a good value, but I always like a better value. So let me show you what I did. I bought it in used, very good condition. So it's an open box from Amazon. You still get the warranty, which is Anyway, this I bought for $149. So save 30 bucks just by getting an open box. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got here. All right, let's open this up and see what we've got. Ooh, nice. Handy dandy carrying case I can see. Let's see what we've got in here. Awesome. So it looks like we've got the receiver and we've got 2 transmitters. We've got a free, absolutely free silica gel packet. I'm just kidding, that's just to keep it dry, so we will put that out. And then right here, let's see what we've got in this top pocket. Get everything out here, whoops. Let's see what else we got. Looks like we've got a nice owner's manual, so that's sweet. We'll look at that here in just a second. Okay, so one of the cables we have is the stereo cable. This will go from the phone to the receiver. So that's nice. We also have 2 lavalier mics. You can see it here. And it comes with 2 lavalier mic clips or lapel clips that just snap on there. I've already snapped one on just to see how that works. There's your clamp. We've got an additional 3.5 millimeter standard cable. And then in the small bag, we have microphone wind muffs, whatever you want to call them. Keep the wind from blowing across the microphone. Got 2 of those. And it looks like we've got a camera or a receiver mount is what that is for a camera and a hot shoe. Okay, let's pull this out and see what we got here. We've got 1 transmitter. We've got the second transmitter. And we have a receiver for the phone. This will be what converts the sound signal and processes it through your phone or camera. All right, to test this, it looks like it uses AAA batteries. So I have got a brand new battery charger coming. I just ordered a new one. So in the meantime, I'm just going to use some inexpensive batteries to give it a whirl and see how it works. So we'll pop those in. Second transmitter. Ready to go. And the receiver also uses AAA batteries. So we'll go ahead and pop those in here. Boom. Now let's give it a whirl. Okay. Opening the owner's manual here, it says, connect the supplied lavalier microphone here. Fully insert the microphone's plug and make sure it clicks into place. click. One down. Click. Two down. Okay, it says line out. This would be used for your smartphone, tablet, or Mac. So let's go ahead and connect the output, stereo output line to the receiver. Okay, on each of these you can actually listen in with a headphone so you can actually hear your audio quality. This is the jack that we're going to plug the stereo 3.5 in that will go to the phone. And we're going to want to hear this click into place too. Let's see how good my speaker is on this thing without this as we click it into place. So it goes right there. And because we're going to be using an iPhone X, which is what I'm filming this on, we've got the little adapter. Now, one thing I already know, so we'll click that in there too, is when you're going to use this on an iPhone, the key, especially with the lightning jack, the key to signaling to the jack that you have an external microphone source is plug it into everything first and then plug your jack in. Don't plug your jack into your phone and then plug this in or it won't pick up on it. So you want to plug it all in, then plug that into your lightning jack. Now each of these have a really nice clip on them, so that can clip onto the side of your phone or onto your little tripod if you're filming. There's also a nice, of course, clip on each one of these, and of course this line with the microphone will actually run down your shirt and clip up on your lapel. So they have nice sturdy clips on them, and this I'll probably just clip to my tripod for the receiver or my iPhone. Let's go ahead and pair these now. Okay, what it says to do to pair them basically is to turn on the receiver, turn on one of the transmitters. On the receiver, you are to hold this button simultaneously. That's your volume button to help it recognize it's in pairing mode. And on the receiver, you just hold what says right here, says pair. Sorry, right there, it says pair. So you hold that for 3 seconds. You hold this for 3 seconds. So let's go ahead and power them on. Okay, we've got a blue flashing light on the receiver. Let's get the transmitter working now. Okay, and we've got the receiver flashing now. So now we're going to pair them. And what it says to do is to hold the pair button on the receiver, and again the volume button on the pair button on the transmitter and the volume button simultaneously on the receiver. So let's see what we do here to pair these, see how this works. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. And now they're paired. So let's give these a whirl and see how great the sound is. Okay, let's do a close check. Let's back up maybe 50 feet. Testing, testing, testing. What do you think? Does it sound clear? Does it sound good? How you doing? Hopefully it sounds really good. Okay, I'm gonna try a sound check now without the mic on. Sound check, sound check. How do I sound? Stepping back, going back about 50 feet here. How do I sound? Is the sound breaking up now? Hopefully it is, because I'm hoping the microphone's really, how's it, Rob? Do good here, so let's see what it sounds like. Okay, overall I would give this Movo Wmx1 Duo a thumbs up. I think it really does a great job in improving the sound and picking up the sound like I was hoping it would. So great buy. I'm going to put it all back together here. And thanks for watching today. Really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to please consider subscribing and hit that button. And when you subscribe, if you'll hit the notification bell, bing, you'll also get notifications every time I post a video. And if you haven't hit the like button, please smash that like button and check out my other videos, everything from how to shave like a boss to setting up your Movo Wmx1 to changing oil on your car and all kinds of other helpful videos. So until next time, thanks again.